to him, talk to him.
Obviously.
What's he saying? Tell us what he's saying.
He's just saying how happy he is about his new movie.
Oh my goodness, isn't that wonderful? Isn't that cool? It's important to listen out for anything that might offend people or be against what their wants are. So this is a nice example in this video as we finish off with a girl you've seen before. Keep watching and find out what I'm talking about. Hi there, it's Turan here from Feel Good Hypnosis. In this video there's several nice examples here. Number one is about getting engagement of onlookers and friends that are standing around the person you're hypnotizing. And also there's a nice subtlety in listening out and watching out for things that might offend people or might be against what they want to do, and making sure you tailor to that there. You've always got to respect the people you're working with. So that's what we're talking about in this video. So you've seen this girl before. I'll put links to other videos from her. She's been a great subject so far. In the last video that I did, I was just making her think she was some secret agent, like a female James Bond. So right at the end of that skit, before I put her back into sort of the eyes closed state, I ask her, hey, you see me at the start of this video saying, who's your favourite movie star? And she says, Tom Holland. Now, I don't want to show my age too much, but some of the younger movie stars I just, don't always have at the top of my head. So I have to say, who's Tom Holland? And her friend says, oh, it's the Spider-Man guy. And I remember who he was. If you're not too sure, it's this guy. No, not him. Not him. That's Tom Holland. That's him. And as soon as she says that, I remember and picked out the right one inside my mind. So I drop her back into her eyes closed state and give her the suggestion that when she wakes up, she's going to see someone and they are going to be Tom Holland, her favourite movie star. I then layer in things like, and you're going to get excited, you're going to get, really excited about it, you want to get a photograph with him, you want to go and get an autograph. I really build up the tension within her mind as to what's happening when she opens her eyes. Now, another thing about audience participation, from time to time you get people who are looking from a bit further away, and I like to engage them. So there's a few security guard guys standing up on the door, the footsteps of the outside of the building, and they've been watching for some time and doing their job at the same time of keeping everybody safe. But I thought they're interested in this hypnosis that I'm doing. They've been watching me for a while. I've noticed at the side of my eye line that they have been watching, so I want to engage them. So I say, when you wake up, you see one of those security guards, and that is who Tom Holland is. Now there's two there, so I don't know who she's going to pick to represent Tom Holland. And again, that's part of the fun for me, not knowing exactly how these skits are going to pan out. So I said, 1, 2, 3, open my eyes. I said, look over there. And bang, she's straight on it. She said, oh my goodness, it's Tom Holland. And she runs over and she's all excited. And look at the genuine excitement in her body, in her face, that she's seen her favourite superstar. Now, one of the key things I do in this skit is, I carry a Sharpie pen around so I can say, quick, get an autograph, write it on your hand or write it on your arm. Now, this is what I'm talking about at the top of the video here, about respecting people. I immediately hear, one of, I can't remember if it was her or a friend, but you can hear in the audio somebody saying, no, so there's a couple of no's in there, I think from both of them. Now that gave me the impression that, well, maybe it's against her beliefs, against her wants to have things written on her hands. I don't know why, I don't care why, but I hear a clear no, and I need to respect that. So I just move on to the next section of that skit, as I say, and say, get your friend to take a selfie with him. And you can see, and look how she's posing like she's really with the real Tom Holland, her favourite star. So lots of engagement in this, both from the gentleman that well, he's out of earshot, so he doesn't know exactly what I've said. So again, you can see me when I move on, who is this? I can't remember. I'm doing that for two reasons. Number one, to inform him. Number two, to check that, well, when she woke up, maybe she had a different person in mind, and maybe she sees, a Will Smith instead of Tom Holland. I don't know. So I want to make sure that the suggestion I've given her is the one she has accepted, and I want to communicate to him that who he's supposed to be. So a lot of audience engagement, both from her friend, as you see how she gets involved in taking the selfies and running along with her. Engagement from the guy that's too far away to actually know exactly what's going on, but he has an idea. And also of respecting her wishes in not wanting to get an autograph on her arm. So all that comes into play. So just to finish this section off, I bring her back to where we were standing, away from the steps again. Always keep health and safety in mind when you're about to drop someone into trance. You don't want any instability in falling down steps. So I bring her down the steps to where we were standing at the start, and I put her back into trance. Now, she engaged so well with that, I thought I would extend that now, you know, throughout the day. And because of YouTube, I want to, don't keep doing the same skits. So you see me checking with a little cheat sheet that I have in my back pocket just to say what we do next. And again, the last one was so much fun, I thought I'll make her think a shoe is a phone, and I see a pair of her shoes in the bag, so I play along with that one. So I say, when you wake up, similar to the last skit, you'll hear your shoe ringing, and on the other end of that shoe phone will be another superstar that you want to talk to. And Robert Downey Jr. is on the other end of that shoe when she wakes up. Again, look at how her friend interacts and say, ask them this and ask them that, and she's getting engaged with the whole skit as well. I always love it when other people help me along. Makes it an easier time for me, and it gives more fun and entertainment for the onlookers and for the person that's being hypnotized as well. Again, she really gets engaged. I say, you know, talk to him a bit more. You know, she really gets involved in thinking this shoe and holding that shoe to her ear and wondering and talking to a shoe phone. So lots to watch out for in this video. It's the very last video with this girl, so I hope you do like it. Make sure, like I say, you check out other videos from her, including her induction, and then the second video where we do several skits with her. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you do give it a thumbs up, and make sure you do give it a like. I really appreciate that, and it helps this YouTube channel grow when it gets lots of likes on the videos. Don't forget to click the big red subscribe button, and don't forget the grey notification bell right next to it so you get notified right away as soon as a new video comes out from Feel Good Hypnosis. If you have any comments for this video, make sure you leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget, really make them positive, and anything you want to know about hypnosis, about this video, about suggestions, leave them in the comment section below. If I can't answer your video in the comment in a text reply, I'll maybe put a video together, and I might even name you for asking that question. So please do leave your comments in the comment section below. In the meantime, let's watch this video.
Reverse.
Tell me, Jay, who's your favourite movie star? Who's the person you really want to meet? Maybe a movie star or a rock star? No, you no particular favourites?
Tom Holland.
Tom Holland.
Yes, Frog Boy.
Tom Holland. Who's he out of?
He's out of Spider-Man Homecoming.
Oh, Tom Holland, Spider-Man. There you go. That's why you're waving. Okay, now sleep now. Way down. Deeper, deeper, deeper relaxed. On the count of 3, you'll no longer feel like you're James Bond. You'll no longer feel like James Bond. But you're going to look around. You're going to look around and you're going to see a guy in a fluorescent green top. You're going to see the security guard in a fluorescent green top, and you're going to realise that he is, oh my goodness, he is Tom Holland.
Oh my God.
He is that person you've most wanted to meet. You're going to want his autograph, you're going to be really excited, you're going to ask for his autograph, you're going to grab your phone, you want to get a selfie, you're going to call your friend over, and you're going to feel so excited. That excitement is already building inside your mind just at the thought of meeting Tom Holland. Oh my goodness. 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Who's that?
You lift this down.
Oh my goodness. Hello. Who is that? Who is that? I've terrible name for name. Oh, Tom Holland. Oh, good. Where's your friend? Where's your friend? Get a selfie. Come on, come on. Tell him which movie you like him in best.
Oh my gosh, I love your acting role as Spider-Man. You also
Get an autograph. Get an autograph. There you go. Right now. What about in your arm? On your arm?
No.
Have you got a piece of paper? No. Oh my goodness, but get a selfie, get a selfie. Make sure you get a selfie, Tom Holland. Right, take it. Put your arm around him. Wow, did you ever think you would meet him? Isn't this exciting?
It's the best thing ever.
Best thing ever, this is so exciting, yes. Come on down, come on down, come on down, tell me all about it. Isn't this just awesome?
Yes,
wow, Tom Holland, who would have ever thought? Sleep now, way down, deeper, deeper, deeper relaxed. The deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel, the more relaxed you feel, the deeper you go. In a minute, I'm going to count from 1 to 3 on the count of 3. On the count of 3, you're going to wake up. You'll no longer think that security guard is Tom Holland. You'll be back to normal. but you're going to look in the yellow bag next to you, and you're going to realise that's your shoe phone. That's your shoe phone that's ringing. And it's somebody you've always wanted to talk to. Somebody else, another superstar, someone else that you've always wanted to talk to. In a moment you're going to realise there's a ringing coming from your... What's that?
He's Iron Man.
Iron Man. You're going to realise Iron Man, Robert Downey Jr. is on the other end of that shoe phone. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Wow, where's that ringing coming from?
Your shoe phone lights up.
Who is it?
It's Robert Downey Jr.
Oh my goodness! First Spider-Man, now Iron Man! Wow, what's he saying? What's he saying?
He's just saying hello.
Talk to him!
Hello. He wants you in his next film.
Oh my goodness, he is. He's telling you he wants you in the next film.
You're going to be Silk, and you're going to play Silk, one of the Spider Women.
Talk to him.
Obviously.
What's he saying? Tell us what he's saying.
He's just saying how happy he is about his new movie.
Oh my goodness, isn't that wonderful? Isn't that cool? Look at me and sleep now. Way down, deeper relaxed. The deeper you go, the more you actually feel, the deeper you go. In a minute, I'm going to count from 1 to 5, and the count to 5, that shoe's no longer going to be a phone. On the count to 5, all hypnotic suggestions will disappear from your mind. But on the count of 5, you're going to feel full of life, full of invigoration, full of energy. You're going to be the best person you ever want to be. Full of life, full of energy, and best concentration, best things you want to do in life. So 1, feeling that feeling of hypnosis just disappear from the tips of your toes. 2, washing up through your knees, through your stomach, through your pelvis. 3, take a deep breath in now. Feel the energy washing all the way through you. 4 and 5, stretch and wide awake. How's it going?
You met Tom Holland.
What's she talking about? Do you remember what happened?
No. What?
No?
And Robert Downey Jr.
In a minute I'm going to click my fingers. As soon as I click my fingers, everything will come into your mind.